Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the construction industry, providing valuable information and analysis of the soil and rock conditions at a particular site. Lajpat Nagar, located in the heart of Delhi, is a bustling commercial and residential area that requires reliable geotechnical services to ensure the safety and stability of its infrastructure. With its rapid urbanization and ongoing construction projects, it is essential to have access to reputable geotechnical services in Lajpat Nagar. Geotechnical services in Lajpat Nagar encompass a wide range of activities, including soil testing, foundation design, slope stability analysis, and ground improvement techniques. These services are carried out by experienced geotechnical engineers who possess the necessary expertise and knowledge to assess and interpret the unique geological conditions of Lajpat Nagar. By conducting thorough site investigations and laboratory testing, geotechnical engineers can determine the engineering properties of the soil and provide recommendations for suitable foundation design and construction techniques. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Lajpat Nagar is soil testing. This information helps engineers understand the soil's load-bearing capacity, compressibility, permeability, and other characteristics that can affect the stability and performance of structures. Soil testing also helps in assessing potential risks such as liquefaction, settlement, or expansive soil conditions that need to be addressed during the design and construction phases. Foundation design is another crucial aspect of geotechnical services in Lajpat Nagar. A properly designed foundation ensures that the load from a structure is transferred safely to the underlying soil or rock. Groundwater conditions, and seismic activity when designing foundations. By employing sophisticated analysis techniques and software tools, they can determine the most suitable foundation type, such as shallow or deep foundations, and recommend appropriate reinforcement measures to enhance stability. Slope stability analysis is another critical service provided by geotechnical engineers in Lajpat Nagar. With its hilly terrain and varying soil conditions, slope stability can be a significant concern in this area. Geotechnical engineers use advanced modeling techniques to assess the stability of slopes and recommend appropriate measures to prevent landslides or slope failures. This may involve implementing slope stabilization techniques such as retaining walls, soil nails, or ground anchors to enhance slope stability. Ground improvement techniques are also employed by geotechnical services in Lajpat Nagar to enhance the engineering properties of weak or problematic soils. These techniques aim to increase soil strength, reduce settlement potential, or improve drainage characteristics. Common ground improvement methods include deep soil mixing, stone